To start our movement journey together, we will begin with our feet firmly planted on the earth. Bring your hands to your heart and look up to the sky. Feel the wind dancing around you.
And walking over to the cherry tree now and standing beneath this incredible canopy of color and life, vitality. What do you notice? And looking up at one cherry blossom now, notice the details, the shades of light pink, dark pink, the very center of the blossom, and scanning down the branch, noticing the open blossoms and perhaps some buds that are yet to open. Thank you for joining us in this journey to celebrate the ways that we can move, to celebrate spring, and to celebrate the beauty that is all around us.